Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful and unique and elegant style for beginners on the hand embroidery artist. That is, in this video you are going to see a very beautiful pattern of the hand embroidery. That how you can embroider your shirts, your everyday shirts, sweatshirts, t-shirts, and different type of tops, and beautiful floral embroidery patterns could be make onto them. But the beauty and creativity does not stop at this point. The basic and more beautiful view of today's video is that you are going to get closed views of the hand embroidery patterns along with a more explicit, elegant and more understandable way of hand embroidery designs. So I would recommend you to watch the video till end, and if you really like then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. Guys, on daily basis, we try our level best to share amazing, beautiful, creative, and trendy ideas with you. And in return, we only expect your support, love, and through which we can continue to grow more beautiful and creative design ideas. And the basic beginner embroidery stitches are giving 3D look, like hand knitted design patterns that are totally inspired from crochet patterns, but which are made with the help of hand art, hand embroidery, and you can use Anchor and DMC for making these embroidery patterns. And even you want to give a more thick look, then you can use embroidery wool for a more shiny way. I would recommend you to use silky threads, which are more specifically used for hand embroidery. Funky design patterns ranging from strawberry design patterns to moving towards floral, beautiful and stylized patterns have been shared with you. Different color combinations like ranging from white, off-white, cream colors towards moving dark colors like midnight blue and black colors have been used. So